to be showing you how you can upload a file to GitHub. So this may not be the screen you have, but you would go to the top right over here to this plus sign, click on it and click on new repository. So it brings you to this interface where you have to write your repository name, which is a unique name in your own repository. So I would write it as my first repo. Now you could add a description if you wish, and you could leave it as public or private. So public means that anyone who has your URL could see your file, and private means that only those people whom you invite to your repository can actually have access to your file. So I'm going to leave it at public. Next, you can add a README file. So a README file helps to give a description of the project that you are doing. So I'll click on add a README file. You can also include a .gitignore file. What this does is that it helps you to ignore some files that may be in your folder but which you don't want it to be shown to the public. So I'm not going to click on this. Go ahead to click on create repository. Good. So you see my repo has been created, and this is my readme file. It took the name of my repo, because I didn't add a file directly. So I could actually edit this file and say something descriptive, maybe this is my first repo. And then we have a commit message. It helps you communicate what you are doing or what you have done to others. So it can be used also to track changes that you've made. This means that when writing a commit message, it should be something descriptive. So I can say updated readme, and then I commit my changes. Now we'll then go on to adding a file. To add a file, you go back here to your repository. You can actually create a new file directly here or upload a file. So I'm going to click on upload files. So I will click on choose my files, which opens my directory, and I'll choose the file I want to upload. So this is the file I want to upload, my first repo project which I've created before, and then I'll click on open. Now this file comes here again. I'll write a commit message to say uploaded notebook, and then I commit my changes. Great. So you see my first repo project, which is the Python notebook that I added here, and my readme files are the two files I have in my repository. Now notice that it takes the last commit message you've made. I hope you are now able to upload files on GitHub. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. See you later. Thank you.